Good evening, guys. It's Will here in Taos, New Mexico. I just wanted to make an observation about the way that light is diffused in our atmosphere with all of the particulate matter that is um, present thanks to the aerosol injections. Um, as you can see, as I inhale on my cigarette and I blow smoke, in front of the light right there. Well, as you can see, as the light bounces off of this smoke here from my cigarette, um, you can see the various densities and whatnot that are present. If I happen to have something like a laser and I had enough particulate matter, I could actually see the entire strobe of light. That's because light is a particle and also a wave at the same time. Um, One thing that we're observing is an unusual uh, dispersion of light that occurs in the event that there's a flash or a strobe that goes off, say from lightning. You'll notice that light travels an immense distance in our particular atmosphere as it stands because there's such high particulate matter. Not only that, but this matter is actually um, orchestrated and it is malleable. It's a fluid substance that can change the refraction and reflection of light at fairly exotic angles. And that optimizes the viability for diffusion over long distances. So this is one of the reasons why we're seeing so many interesting anomalies with the light and how it's being carried. There is a fluid conduit within our ionosphere, and this is a ionized plasma um, substance that has variable elements that come together in our environment. And it itself is self-assimilating and I would venture to say symbiotic in ways that we would consider novel, or at least your layman would. But anyway, I wanted to make this point that uh, if you see that the way that light is carried through flashes, next time you see a thunderstorm or something like that, observe the distance and the behavior of the light as it passes through the fluid medium. Have a good rest of your night.